This one? Okay, it's all good? Okay then. Well, my other video, so, yeah, you guys all know it. So, show you guys a clip of Austin and Allie, the date ass. Let me just do this.
Trish and I are going to prom together. What? Really? Chuck? And she asked me. What? Really? Chuck? You were dating somebody. Yeah. Remember the girl you broke up with my sister to go out with? Oh, I remember. Sorry about that, Red. There's only so much Chuck to go around. Chuck and Spencer have one of those on-again, off-again relationships. Right now, we're off again. And lucky for Trissy Poo, I turned down 5 other prom dates. 5 other girls asked that guy to prom? He's a ladies' man. We're gonna win that dance contest, Red. You're wrong, Chuck. Carrie and I are gonna win that dance competition. Oh, no, you're not. My dance moves are so fly. Okay, I don't have time for this. You need to save your energy for dance practice tonight, Chuck. Yeah. Keep pretending this is all about dancing. I think we all know the real reason you asked me to prom is because you like me.
It's so weird.
It's just about dancing. You ready to order? I think I'm going to start with some pomegranate juice. You mean pomegranate juice? What did I say? Pomegranate? That's weird. It's prom, not prom. We're going to be doing this all night. Sorry. It's just that my prom's only a week away and everybody else has a date. About that. See, prom is on the same night as this other awesome event that I really want to take you to. The Big Mud Run. Wow.
The cheese veggie.
That does sound awesome. What the
Hi.
Mud Run? It's a race in my hometown.
Goodness.
Through muddy fields, people throw tomatoes at you. That's romantic.